Hey y'all, welcome back to Basically Joyful. I'm Rachel. Today I'm going to be showing you another great LipSense color, Violet, so stick around to see more. Always remember when you're putting on your LipSense, you want to apply to clean, dry lips, and we're going to do 3 light layers. After all 3 layers of your LipSense are dried, that's when it's time to go in and apply your glossy gloss. As you can see, Violet is a great, cool, frosted color. It has lots of hints of shimmer and iridescent in it to give it a frosty look. Didn't come off. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out my video today on how to apply LipSense Violet. This color is going to be great for going out, and if you're looking for a color that transitions well from day to night, this one is perfect for that. So check out more videos and subscribe to see more.